Alright everyone, welcome back to the Legendary Cave. Today, I'm going to give you a double dose of Legendary Heartbeat. Now, the amazing rares I've been getting have been repeats, but it's okay because the cards look very nice. But hopefully, I'm hoping to get some new amazing rares and some new double rares, triple rares, sticker rares, all the cool cards like that. So, let's dive in and see what we get. Oh, and a little bit of news for you guys. I'm pretty sure you probably heard this already, but if not, there's a new card set coming out sometime in November. I believe it's like mid-November, so perfect for Christmas time. But it's called Vivid Voltage, and it's a set featuring Pikachu. Can you believe it? Something that's not featuring Charizard. You all know every set that's been coming out so far. Charizard, Charizard, Charizard this, Charizard that. But this time, it's the man himself, Pikachu. So that's going to be interesting. But you guys know Charizard's still probably going to sneak his way in there. But this is going to be cool. Vivid Voltage in November, here for Christmas. So if you guys want to see me open up those packs, hit that subscribe, follow the journey, and let's try to pull that Pikachu. Never thought I would say that. But let's get to these packs and see what we pull from here. Alright, let's get into the first box and hopefully we get some more good stuff. Let's see, last time I tried to open this, it was very difficult. Let's go. Not this time. Alright. Let me get this box out of the way. Alright. There's all the packs. Start it up. Still looking for what is it? Rayquaza and Jirachi, I think, are the best ones to pull from here. So let's hope we get those. Alright, there we go. Right off the bat, triple rare. I will take it, but it's a repeat. Can we get something new, please? Alright. Weedle, I know this guy. Electric, Riolu, and whatever this looks like, a cupcake, but it's another card I already pulled. I say I can't complain too much, but yes I can, because I would like to get something new, especially since we're doing 2 boxes here. Alright, and 3. Okay, I believe that's Fortress or the whatever evolution is. Raygun, Toys R Us Giraffe, Execute, this little electric bug, I keep forgetting your name, sorry. Rockruff for Fleas, and I believe you're Thunderous, one of the Thunder guys. Alright. Last time I opened this, can't believe that I missed the secret rare. Let's hope I don't do that again. With my luck, I've always missed something, so we'll see. Lucario, Double Energy, Executor, keep forgetting your name, I'm sorry. Mouse, Beldum, Xerxes, I believe. Xerxes, I'm pretty close, I'm sure that's something like that. Alright. Uno, dos, and tres. Okay. I'm really excited. I believe next week Darkness Ablaze will be here. I got so many on the way. Can't wait. I don't know how many are going to open up at a time, but we'll see. Either way, I try and get that Charizard. Ooh. Interrupted me with this. I have not pulled this card yet. And I don't know who it is because I have not played this game, but he looks very cool. Kind of scary too in the dark like that. Alright, I'll take that. Finally, something new. Box is looking promising. Let's keep that up. Right. Yeah, whatever your name was, I'm sorry. Lycanroc, Weedle, Matang, Shuppet. I've pulled this already, but I'm not gonna be mad because this is still a real nice one to pull. Oh man, amazing rare. And centering, oh yes. Oh yes. It's definitely going to be part of the graded group. And I will be doing a video on that with all the cards I want to get sent out for grading, either PSA or BGS, we'll see. But again, I'll do a video on that with all the good cards I pulled that have potentials for 9s or 10s. 2, 3, so that will be fun. Alright. Leaf, the Bee, the Lou, Tweebird, Beldum hiding out, Pineco, and Magirdum, something like that, I believe. Alright, even though that was a repeat major rare, the center looked perfect, so I'm fine with that repeat, as long as the centering is good. Okay. Weird cow thing again. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's a cow Pokemon. Clefable. Electric. Why did I just blank on your name? Shuckle. Sorry, Shuckle. That guy, Birdie, whatever this is, and never seen that Pokemon. Well, I did last time I put it, I just don't know who it is. I can't repeat this enough. The artwork for Japanese cards. Yes. And they're usually their centering is usually pretty good too. I think some of the worst centering I've seen was Chinese cards. The printing on the first edition base, that was just horrible. I don't know if they're all like that. That was just a bad box I've seen opened up before, but as far as I know with the Japanese ones, amazing center, and they put pride into that. Alright, let's go. Alright, 1, 2, and 3. Triple around front? Nope. Great ball in front. Clefable. That weird spider thing, I forgot your name. Kakuna. Chatot. Clefairy. And Regirock. Alright. Next. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Trainer card. Weird little squishy fish thing. Now flatfish. Kakuna. Shuckle. Matang. Oh, why did I blank on your name? I forgot your name, sorry. I knew it when I was opening it last time. Why did I forget your name? I'm sorry. But you're cooler than Pokemon. 1, 2, and 3. Right. I forget your name too. Golden Sun. Eggs. Clefairy. Shuckle. And another Pokemon I don't know the name of. Alright. So far, nothing too crazy because the Amazing Rare is guaranteed, but at least it was super straight. And I did get at least one new card so far, so that's not too bad. Alright. Electric Spider, Tweebird, and another one of you. A lot of repeats from all the boxes that I opened up so far. So, if they're real good repeats, I'm not going to be too mad, but I would like to get some new stuff. Alright, Beedrill, Giraffe, Eggs, Wooper, Electric, another Electric, Zekrom, All right, let's see, halfway through. All right, quick little recap. A lot of these, Shaman, that's your name. I remember Shaman. A lot of these I already gotten before. I've got that, but the centering looks great. That's new. Repeat, 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 and repeat. But still, the cards are amazing. All right. Next. I wonder, is it possible to get more than one amazing rare per box? Or do you just, oh my goodness. What Pokemon is this? Wow, whatever it is, whew, I'm sleeving that. That is, feel so bad I don't know all the new Pokemon, but, ooh wee. Yes, you're getting sleeved because you look cool and you're a triple rare. All right. And I was just talking about getting new cards. But yeah, I don't know if you can get more than one amazing rare in a box or not. So that'd be cool if you could. Oh my goodness, that's another cool card. Wow. Yep, you're gonna get sleeved too because you look just whew. Wow. Basically the double rares, triple rares, and the secret rares and things like that I will be putting in sleeves. The regular rares, they're cool, but I won't put them in these sleeves. Probably some different ones because a rare is still nice to have. Alright, 1, 2, and 3. Alright. Trainer card, Metagross, Weedle, Riolu, Shuppet, and a Pokemon, don't know your name, sorry. Man, I was just talking about the pools was not getting too good, but whoo-wee, did that change. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, Executor, Helmet, Electric Spiderweb, Electric Gears, Fleas, Toucan, and Lugia. Okay. Alright, can we finish strong? We got 3 packs after this one. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, Fable, Double Energy, Flattened Pokemon, don't know what that is, Mouse, Beldum, and I forgot your name, but I know you're a cool electric. Are you mythical Pokemon or just legendary? I'm not sure. Alright. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Don't know you, but that looks kind of creepy. Oh, that's the evolved version of Electric. I forgot your name. Executor, Electric Bug, Whoop, and Steelix. And this is not the secret rare this time. That was the one I missed before. It was a secret rare Steelix. I was just like, oh, different version of Steelix. Why? Because it's a secret rare. Right, 1, 2, and 3. Alright, Metagross. I'm guessing transfer or trade, something like that. Alright, Pineco, Shuppet, Whoop, and Dialga. Alright, last pack. Finish strong, finish strong. I'm very, very, very happy with this box. Alright, 1, 2, and 3. Grass, Toucan Sam, Beedrill. No, I keep forgetting your name. Toucan Sam again. Beldum. Ooh. Very nice. I have not pulled this one. Full art trainer card. Okay. Now that was probably one of the best boxes I've opened up of this series. Ooh-wee. Alright, let's not waste no time. Let's get to number 2. And please give me a new amazing rare. Let it be Rayquaza or Jirachi. Rayquaza or Jirachi. Alright. Come on. There we go. Okay. There's all the packs. Let's go in. Come on. I'm giving this good vibes. Rayquaza, Jirachi. Alright. Beedrill. Lucario. That weird cow thing again. Kakuna. Chatot. Whoop. And Xerxes, something like that. Pretty sure that's what you're called. Alright. Next. 1, 2, and 3. Ooh. Fortress. I believe that's your name. Clefable. Fighting Energy. Weedle. Shuppet. Rockruff. Regirock. Alright. Keep it moving. Alright. 1, 2, and 3. Whoa. Toucan Sam. I keep forgetting your name, Dragonfly guy. Trade or transfer, one of those. Dragonfly. Devolve version. Clefable. Oh, excuse me, Clefairy. Oh, is that the secret rare? Hold on, let me take a look. Oh, yes, that's the secret rare version of this. Haha! I did not miss it this time. And the centering looks perfect. Yes. Alright. Secret rare cupcake. That's what it looks like to me. It looks like a cupcake. Alright. Well, this one's starting off pretty good. 1, 2, 3. We just gotta finish it off with the amazing rare that I want, please. Out of the 2, Rayquaza or Jirachi. Man, I really love Rayquaza, so let me get that first. That's one out, number 1. Chatot and Dialga. Too bad it wasn't shiny in this. Shiny Rayquaza, amazing rare. Oh my goodness, that's just too much, I guess. That's alright. Ew, there's a triple rare stack of cake. Oh, sorry, let me sleeve you. Alright, almost went past everything because I wanted to sleeve you real quick. Whoop. Howling at the Stars or whatever. And the non-secret rare cupcake. Alright, triple rare sleeve. A lot of the Japanese cards are definitely worthy of grading, especially with BGS, because you're probably going to get the gold, tin, pristine, or even black labels, especially with this set. So if you guys have any of these cards, send it to BGS first, because you can definitely have a real good chance of getting black labels. Let's see. Can I get a Rayquaza black label? Ooh-wee. Eggs. Rockruff. Matang. And double rare. Or Amaranth. I don't even know what your name was. I know it starts with an A and you're electric type. Alright. Have not got the secret area yet. Or any more gold cards. I've only pulled 1 gold card from these, so let's get the secret rare we want and a gold card. That'd be nice. And that was neither. Alright. Keep it moving. Uno, dos, and tres. Alright. Clefable. Weird trainer card. Beldum. Kakuna. Tweety Bird. Genesect. Non-shiny, but they don't have shiny in this one anyways. Alright. Next. 1, 2, and 3. Alright. Electric Spider, Trainer, the Shep, the Whoop, the Wee, and the Thunder. Alright, keep it moving, keep it moving. Alright, dos and tres again. Okay, Lycanroc, the Dragonfly, the Double Dragon. Nah, it's not Double Dragon. Tweebird, Rockruff, and some blasting something. Alright. We're rolling along here. Kinda cooled off. Let's see, we need to get another, what is it, hyper rare? Or that's a full art, something. Let's get some pulls. The first box was real good. I'm pretty sure this won't let us down. Just gotta be patient. Shop it. And another one of you, Magirinum. Alright, let's go after this pack, do a recap. 1, 2, 3 of the box we got here so far. The Bee, Fight, Chatot, Dragonfly, Spider, and Electric. Zekrom. Alright, that's what we got so far. Again, a lot of repeats, but that's okay, because you get things like that. That's new. So that's about halfway through. Let's finish off strong. Second half. Alright. We have not got the amazing rare yet. I'm hoping it's something really, really, really good. Not like this cow thing, whatever that is. Riolu, Kakuna, Matang, and sorry, I don't know your name. Alright. 1, 2, and 3. Alright. Leaf. Pooper Evolution, forgot your name. Shep. Weird chain thing. Clefairy. Oh, got you again. Wolf Dog guy. I will take that because we've only got one of you. Now we got two. Alright. So which set are you guys looking forward to? Mostly Darkness Ablaze or Champion's Path? I don't know about, I'm thinking Champion's Path for me because it's still a mystery about what cards are in there. I think even Darkness Ablaze, I haven't even seen the openings for that, so they're both going to be good, so we'll see. But for me, I think Champion's Path, just because I'm not sure what's in there. The mystery is a Rainbow Rare Charizard going to be in there? Who knows? I think that's what the good mystery is. So, I say Champion's Path for me. Pineco. Rockruff. Oh. Another one of you? That's okay. Because I want more than one of these cards and the other one, so cool. Oh boy, we're getting down to it. Amazing Rare is coming. Anything else? Gold cards. Full arts. Something. What else are we going to get? A helmet is what we're going to get. Looks like that helmet in Mega Man. Alright, Weedle. Matang. Lugia, you're not the hyper rare. Alright. So far, the other box was better. Unless we pull Jirachi or Rayquaza, then you're going to beat them all. Alright. Trade or transfer, one of those. Electric. Execute. Clefairy. And Electric guy again. Oh boy. 3 packs left. What are we going to get? Ooh. Getting a little nervous. Come on. Come on. Fable, Weird Trainer Guard, Shuckle, Dragonfly, Spider. Hey, I would take that. What is this one? I don't know the Sword and Shield. The Zacian, and then is this Zacian? Whatever it is, it's new, a new amazing rare, so I am happy with it. And the centering looks perfect. Check the back. Yes, the back does as well. Okay, I will take that. Come on, careful, careful. Yes. All right. So far, I think still the other box was a little better, even though that was a new amazing rare. It still had a few more pulls, but both boxes so far, I like them both because new amazing rare. The other one has some cool stuff. So yes, very happy with these two boxes. Whoop. And Dialga. All right, last pack. All right. 1, 2, and 3. Be sure you guys subscribe to see all the openings I'm going to do for Darkness Ablaze and Champions Pass. I'm going to have lots and lots coming, especially Darkness Ablaze. I got over, I think, 10 booster boxes coming, so yeah, I'm going all out for that Charizard. As soon as I find out what's going on with Champions Pass, if there's a Charizard, I'll need to go hard just for that too. All right. Ooh, that's how you finish strong. Yeah. I'm sorry, I don't know who you are, but you're the Rainbow Rare version of the other card pulled. Hold on, let me go find you. Hold on. Let's do the recap first. Just got that. Just got that. Very nice. No, you're not you. There you are. Look at that. Twinsies. Haha. Very nice. Okay. I would say, I think it's even with the pools. What do you guys think? Compared to the boxes, that was the second box. And then here's the first box. As far as the pools go, let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think? Which box was the best? So far there, I don't know. I think it's close. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Be ready for some more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.